Haldane malay, basabayot. Nabat siya Jamaica. Oh, for today's video day.
Oh my gosh.
Dayto, napudaday. Kay naapata diri sa kuan day. Sa Mobile, Alabama. United. United State of America.
Oh my god.
America. So,
Brother,
nindot kayo ang araw kayo mo dyan. Nindot kayo ang araw. Oh.
that's good.
Init ka dyan. Pero, tugnaragya pa ng hangin dyan. Ay, sa wakas, nakapamahaw dyan. Nabuang ang kalit. Naki-energy. Dahil man afraid ta dyan. Red tide. So, wala dyan ka good mahitabo dyan. Kay red tide man. Nag-red tide man ang panahon. Kulit ka good. Kayo yung siyabi ka, wala na ka good. So, among bus jay, nisulod pa diri sa kuan jay, sa raceway. Kay para mag-CR, kay nag-inom man siya kape nga pait para pang iyang pagpakalibang. So, ayun, di siya nisulod, oh. Ito ang kamera, be. Oh. Ayan, yung, ano yan, store na yan. Tadi man day, madyo mo. So, di siya nisulod, jay. So, gani, may nga adlaw karon jay, no? So, maayo po ang imong utok. So, ano siya, dara sa atbang mabring kuan. Hotel ba yan? Ano ba yan? Okay. So, karon jay, magbiyahe na punta papuntang Texas, jay. Kadugay ba ni balibang siya? Abi, nalibang man siguro nagtaga, oy. Nasa sa among kuan bugoy. Pero ako kasi panugo. Kurang bus. Okay, gusto niya tarang attention sa iya ra. Spoiled kayo. Yahay kayong buhay. Kadugay ba niyang banana, oy? Palubat na ba niyang cellphone? So, mag-charge tatas, mag-charge na po ko sa iyong truck. Pag man yung charge kay total fast charger, man itong charger. So, dali ra siya mapuno. So, niya, maabot na taani sa sa balay siyang anak. So, katuyang anak dito, nagkuhan na to sila po. Nag-renta ra to sa dito. Okay. So, kami po, nakisiksik kami sa balay siyang mama kay. So, nakuha rin po siya ka ng balay para namo. Lagi kuan. Nagipakita na sa amo ang kuan yung gusto na kuan ng balay. So, pinturahan na lang to siya sa gawa si. So, maging nyo na lang taon. Ang tapon. Kay, mahal din ang natin sariling balay jay ba? Kay, kuan, nindot kay ay kay buhay ka nang makakiras ka maayo. Isa man man nakagkalibang ay gibisaya man ako si Happy.
It's hot.
Yep, I know, wait lang ay right here. Yes, okay. Okay natin. So nagkuha pa siya coffee jay nga pait kaayo. Wala sugar, without sugar na yung coffee
There's no
ba.
sugar in that coffee.
Yes, so lagi. Oh, nagkuan like ino na po siya kuan pag umanyag libang. Nag-inom na po siya kopi. 2 times siya nag-inom kopi karon na. Nag-inom siya ganina. Kung palibang yan ng kopi dyan, mag-inom mo kopi kung gusto niya magpaniwang. Paniwang, hindi. Nag-inom siya kopi kay, ang kopi ko nung nga pait dyan, kuan kuno ka ng, kasi kalibang kay, gusto lagi nila mo, plat lang tiyan. So, ayun, ikaduha na niya ni inom mo kopi. Nagkuha pa siya, nagpalit pa siya kopi niya. Pait kayo, bitilawan ako, orag ang palaya. Mo inom lang siya kopi nga, wala sugar, eh. Or si Josie akong isuon baka nang gusto lagi magpaniwang. Ay hindi pa yung magpaniwang nga lang mawala ang tambok ba sa tiyan nya. Siguro balik-balik sa CR ba nya. Kira pag oras maglingkod sa CR lalo nagmakahawig sa cellphone kasi lantang mga video Dili kay paniwang naman dyan siya dyan. Na maglayla ng panit pag maniwang. Nya ako magniwang kay manghupyok man nawong maggurang magtigulang man nawong pag maniwang ka kay maot jud kay maniwang manghupyok ang nawong no. Oo, pabdurong ko maniwang manghupyok nawong dere. Manghupyok na pud bere kay padurong na paniwang kay pag magpaniwang lagi makagulang sa nawong kay manghupyok nang magurong. Ayan. So kaon siya ka ng kuan. Puro rasudan, walay luto, walay sweet, walay sweet nga, walay sugar. Kung ano yun siya, yung kanon, magrura mga sudan, cheese, food without sugar, then without sweet. Yan. Nanto sa maniwang yan na siya.
Lobby!
Sa bagay, kaya arong gaan ang niwang kay pambuk bugat man po. Yung patong bugat. Yung patong bugat. Punta si Abi, uy. Kaya may tawanan, hindi kang adlaw karon ba? At bangkay sa ako ang son. Yan. Abi, pagdali po dabe, oy. Ayan si Abi.
I had to go help Lolo put oil in his truck.
Oh,
That old man right there, he couldn't get oil in his truck, so nobody would help him in there. So I went over and poured the oil in his truck.
So, gitabangon din niya si Lolo. Matabangon din niya.
Yeah, I'm such a bad guy, right?
Yes. You said.
I wasn't gonna let that old man. That guy got to be 90 years old.
You help him.
Yeah.
You're a good person. Samaritan. You're a good Samaritan.
Who the fuck called me?
What's Samaritan?
A person.
A person. Nagyaw ko Samaritan niya. Oh, balon siya Samaritan. Gabinulok ang gaga. Oh.
Hi. I was out there pouring. There's this old 90-year-old man.
Let me walk away real quick. Like fucking swinging a hammer.
So, larga na ka, larga.
So we're gonna get a Christmas tree. That the one we found that we were able to afford was kind of shitty. So I told a guy, works with him, my boss, and his wife works at a center where they help like abused women and shit. I just got to give it back after y'all leave. Garden pretty lit. It's nice.
Harvey Otomote.
So Brooke's about to come up here, and she's gonna meet her up here within an hour.
Why don't you go to a place that helps abuse fathers and husbands?
Yeah, for you.
Yeah, for me.
But and then I told sort of like, you know, they grew up in the Philippines. They were dirt poor. And he really never had anything until he got my dad in his life.
Kind
of like you, huh?
It kind of broke her heart. So she's got a friend that's the chief of the fire.
Oh, larga na punta.
And they got too many.
So siguro niya maabot na mi.
So she's gonna go out there and get some toys and drop them off too.
Bro, I done dropped a fucking G-stack on him.
It's just extra gift. It's just extra gifts.
He's not underprivileged, I can promise you.
I just told him it was his first Christmas. But,
no, it's not his first Christmas.
So
this will be his fourth Christmas since I've been in his life.
This type of Christmas. Yeah. But nobody's spending money on it, so I'm like, fuck it.
The last two Christmases, he got 500 each Christmas. The last three Christmases. All them, who's doing the bad is the other kids around him in the Philippines. They're all just standing there, and he's got goddamn battery-powered Jeeps and fucking motorcycles. And now, granted, they're only like $25.
What's y'all's ETA right now?
We just got on. I had to help this old timer. He was struggling. Nobody would help him put oil in his truck. He's about 90. He could barely walk.
Yeah.
So it says 4:33. So
All right,
closer to
good.
5. Closer to 5 because I got 515 miles and I want to get like 440 out of a tank. So.